What's up guys, T-Croc here. Welcome to the channel. We are now going to be installing a Rough Country Tailgate Assist. Let's see what we got. We got a dampener, a little bit of hardware, and instructions. But you know how this channel goes. We don't need this.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're out of the canopy. It keeps raining on and off, so that's why I was under the canopy at first. So it is calling for only a couple tools, a Torx 40 and a 13mm wrench. So gotta remove this first. Next up, we're just gonna put this bracket along right there and then reinstall the cable. And then we're gonna remove this. This is a 13mm bolt, and then we'll replace it with this tailgate bolt for the dampener. So that's it guys, super easy install. Quality of that Rough Country dampener looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.